Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be a math video. Actually, it's going to be math vocabulary words on statistical methods. So I'm going to show you what those vocabulary words are now. So what I'm going to do is read off these vocabulary words to you here and give the definition with an example shown here. So the first word here is bar chart, or bar graph, if you want to call it that too. And this is a chart that uses bars to show the relationship between groups of information. Carroll diagram. Carroll diagram is used to sort items according to two groups. And here's an example here of what a Carroll diagram looks like, and I will make a video later on to get into this more. Chart. Information in the form of a table, graph, or diagram here. Collect. To group or put together with other objects. And here it says a tally chart and a dot plot are good ways to collect and record information. Data. Information when it has just been collected, before it is sorted or organized. So basically, there's several ways you could organize your ideas. You've seen me do like a Venn diagram, that's one way. Here's just another way, a list of my data. I'm not going to read through all of this, I'll take too long. And then on this side, here's the tally chart again. Decide. Make a decision or make up one's mind about something. And it's just a definition, really, of what decide is. And then the sentence here says, I need to decide how I can best show the information I collected. And you've seen several ways already. Dot plot, a chart used to collect and present information. This is just another example, a little bit more up close. Explain. Make something clear by giving reasons or details. And this example says, are 3600s more or less than 240 tens? Explain your reasoning. So back it up here. If you're going to do this, you have to give proof, basically. Frequency, how often something happens. And here's another chart here. And on this side, it says, vanilla ice cream has the highest frequency. So this is just another example here showing frequency. Information, facts or data from a survey or learning about something. So again, it's just showing you a way to collect information here and then sort it out. Interpret, to explain the meaning of. To conduct a survey. Ask a question. Collect the data of information. Interpret the data so that you can understand it. Investigate, to find out more about or research something to find out the facts or the truth. So this is just an example of how you can do an investigation or investigate something here. So I'm not going to go through all this. This is just to show you a way of doing that. Sort, put in order or arrange in groups. And this example says, I sorted these circles into groups of 3 green and 3 pink. Venn diagram, a diagram with circles to show sets. So that's today's video here. I just wanted to give you some definitions on statistical methods. I'm going to have a couple of videos, like I just said, coming out on these later on. I already have some videos on the Venn diagram and bar chart already in the past. I will leave links to those in the description down below, so you can go ahead and check those out. And that'll be it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.